Welcome to class 12 accountancy topic partnership guarantee of profit. Now we are about to solve a numerical question of guarantee of profit. When one of the partners guarantees minimum profit, the amount is made through the partner's capital account. The following steps are to be followed. Step number one, distribute the profit of the partners as per their profit sharing ratio. Step number two, if the share of profit of the guaranteed partner falls short of the minimum amount, the difference is deducted from the original share of profit of the partners who guaranteed it and is added to the original share of profit of the guaranteed partner. Now we can see the question. Question, guarantee of profit by one partner. We can listen the question. X, Y, and Z are partners in a firm. Their profit sharing ratio is 5 is to 3 is to 2. That is guaranteed a minimum amount of rupees 10,000 as a share of profit every year. Any deficiency arising on that account is to be met by Y. The profit for the 2 years ended 31st March 2014 and 2015 were rupees 40,000 and rupees 60,000 respectively. Prepare profit and loss appropriation account for the 2 years. First of all, we can prepare profit and loss appropriation account for the year ended 31st March 2000. On the screen, you can see the first account. It is of 2014. From the question, it's very clear that the profit for the year 2014 is rupees 40,000. We are recording this on the credit side of profit and loss appropriation account as by profit and loss account in bracket net profit amount column 40,000. No more item is there on the credit side, so we can move to the debit side. We are dividing this 40,000 in the profit sharing ratio 5 is to 3 is to 2. That is 40,000 multiplied by 5 by 10, 40,000 multiplied by 3 by 10, and 40,000 multiplied by 2 by 10. So X is not given guarantee or X is not giving guarantee. So the total share of rupees 20,000 must be debited on the account as profit transferred to X capital rupees 20,000 in the amount column calculation 40,000 multiplied by 5 by 10. Then Y and Z, it is a case of guarantee. So here Z is guaranteed a minimum amount of 10,000 rupees. You have to check it whether whenever dividing the profit Z is getting rupees 10,000 or not. If any deficiency is there, that must be taken from Y's profit. So whenever we are dividing the amount, Y is getting 12,000 and Z is getting 8,000. So show both the amounts only in the inner column. Deficiency amount is 2000. So add 2000 rupees with Z's capital account transferring from Y's account, and deduct rupees 2000 from Y's profit. Then 12,000 minus 2000 is equal to 10,000. That is the amount of Y's profit. And Z is getting 8,000 only. From Y, Z is taking 2,000. Now, the profit and loss appropriation account shows profit transferred to X capital 20,000, Y's capital 10,000, and Z's capital 10,000. Account total 40,000. Account number 2, profit and loss appropriation account for the year ended 31 March 2015. Here, profit is 60,000. We are recording on the credit side by profit and loss account in bracket net profit 60,000. Whenever we are dividing the amount in the profit sharing ratio given in the question, that ratio is 5 is to 3 is to 2. Then amount is 30,000 for X, 18,000 for Y, and 12,000 for Z. So here the minimum amount of 10,000 is satisfied for Z. So no need of any adjustment in profit. Z share in profit is more than the amount guaranteed. So there is no need for any adjustment. Debit side, to profit transferred to X capital account 60,000 multiplied by 5 by 10, amount column 30,000. Y's capital account 60,000 multiplied by 3 by 10, amount column 18,000. Z's capital account 60,000 multiplied by 2 by 10, amount column 12,000. Account total is 60,000. Okay, thank you.